Charlie Munger once said that the first $100,000 is the hardest to accumulate. Ever wonder why the road to financial prosperity feels like such an uphill battle, especially when you're struggling to rack up that first $100,000? It's a conundrum many of us face, but here's the puzzling part. As you progress through this financial journey, it becomes significantly easier. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining volume and size along the way. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery behind these characteristics. Let's explore why the initial leg of your wealth-building journey feels like an eternity and how you can accelerate your progress towards achieving financial freedom years sooner. With that, I got more investment opportunities, less debt, career flexibility, and of course, being able to prepare for the future. The challenge of getting started. Just imagine, you have aspirations to build wealth through investing, but the idea often takes a back seat. You say you will choose to invest when you have more money. It's like waiting for the fire to produce heat before adding wood. But remember, if you don't invest because you don't have enough money, you must invest because you want more. Furthermore, many people cite risk as a reason to avoid investing. It's human nature to hesitate when you can't see the finish line. The first steps are the hardest, and investing can feel daunting when the road ahead seems long and uncertain. The power of personal contributions. Now, let's talk about how reaching the $100,000 mark is like climbing a steep hill. The main reason is that, in the beginning, most of your wealth comes from your personal contributions. You are the one pushing the boulder uphill. However, as soon as your portfolio gains a little weight, something magical happens. Compound interest kicks in. The returns may still be a percentage of your initial investment, but the dollar amounts start to inflate. A $5,000 investment with a 10% return makes $500, which may not get attention. But when that investment turns into $100,000, the 10% return is substantial at $10,000. The snowball effect. As your wallet grows, motivation increases. Reaching the $100,000 mark is like reaching a peak. You can clearly see the progress of your investments. That emotion, in turn, accelerates growth. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining speed with each evolution. You could look for ways to grow your wallet faster because the rewards are substantial. You can explore ways to increase your income, allocate more funds to investments, and pursue higher returns. Even small lifestyle changes, like reevaluating your spending habits, become second nature as you realize the potential of every dollar invested. Expanding possibilities. As your wealth grows, so do your opportunities. You might consider career moves that show greater income potential, even if they involve some risk. You can finally start the business you've always dreamed of, or take advantage of a unique real estate investment opportunity that others can only watch slip through their fingers. Most importantly, having a financial cushion allows you to weather storms. While not ideal for liquidating your investments, you do have this option in case of emergencies or one-time opportunities. Embracing risk. Also, with specific equity, you can take calculated risks on your investments. You can exploit speculative opportunities with a portion of your wealth, knowing that one mistake will not mean financial ruin. A world of investment possibilities opens up. Tips to accelerate your journey. The road to financial prosperity may seem arduous at first, but be hopeful. It gets easier, more enjoyable, and more rewarding with time. Once you cross the $100,000 mark, compound interest becomes your ally, doing most of the heavy lifting for you. So the next time you feel intimidated by the journey to wealth, remember this. The first $100,000 may be the hardest, but it's also the most transformative step on your path to financial freedom. Keep pushing that boulder, and one day you'll see it roll effortlessly downhill, accumulating wealth with every twist and turn. Thank you for joining me on this journey to unlock the secrets of financial prosperity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Together, we will master money, achieve our financial goals, and embrace a brighter financial future. Good investments.